Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable Amazon Alexa on this smartband, basically a voice assistant. If you want to use Alexa voice assistant on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. Once the application opens, we can tap on the profile icon, then select our AMAZFIT Band 7 from the list of devices. On this page, we can scroll down, find the app settings, and under app settings, you should see Amazon Alexa. You can tap on it, tap on agree, and if you want to enable the Alexa, probably you will see login into Amazon right here. So basically we need to log in into Amazon account and allow the access to the app so the Alexa could be used. So we can tap on login. It will redirect us to the login page. So tap on get started, continue setup. And then we can tap on allow because I'm already logged in, so I can tap on allow. But if you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in. Basically, you will need to enter the email and password. And once you log in, you will see this page and you can tap on allow. And after you allow, you will see this page in the app. And now you should be able to use the Alexa. So if I go to the smartband, swipe right on the screen to go through the list of widgets and find the Alexa one. Then tap on the button, tell me a joke, and then tap on this button at the bottom. It's gonna start thinking, and it should give us a result soon. Doesn't seem to be working well. Let me try again. Tell me a joke. Oh, now it got it. And here we have the joke, as you can see. So basically to activate it, you need to tap on the button. Now it's gonna listen. What's the weather like? And then it should give you the information you asked for. So that's how you enable the Alexa. To disable it, basically you need to open the ZEP application on your phone. Tap on profile, tap on the AMAZFIT Band 7. Scroll down, tap on Amazon Alexa. And here you need to tap on exit. It will log you out from the Amazon account. And now when you try to activate the Alexa on your smartband, it should tell you that you need to log in into an Amazon account and authorize the Alexa. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable Amazon Alexa voice assistant on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.